Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
Open the TikTok app and tap the profile icon at the bottom right. From your profile, tap the three lines, then Settings and Privacy, then switch to Pro Account. Choose Creator or Business depending on your needs and the tools you expect to use. Return to Profile and tap Analytics in the Creator Tools section. Analytics shows Overview, Content, and Followers tabs for detailed metrics. You can view last 7 or 28 days using the date selector at the top. Open Analytics and tap the Overview tab to see total video views, profile views, and follower growth. The Content tab lists individual videos with playtime, average watch time, and performance trends. Look for videos with high average watch time and completion rate to boost algorithm favor. The Followers tab shows demographics, active hours, and follower locations by country. Track traffic source types like For You, Following, Profile, and sounds to refine content strategy. Calculate engagement rate as likes plus comments plus shares / followers times 100 for percentage comparisons. Use analytics to identify your top performing times and post consistently at those hours. Experiment with formats by testing short hooks, 15-second clips, and longer cuts for retention. Leverage trending sounds and hashtags shown in analytics to increase discovery and engagement. Include clear CTAs like follow, comment, save, or visit link within the first 2 seconds. Export data weekly. Set measurable goals such as 25% watch time increase and iterate.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.